Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Friends, welcome back to my channel. In video number 738, I explained how we can test comparator LM339 as a non-inverting comparator. And today we will write code for this Arduino, how we can use Arduino as a non-inverting comparator, and how to assemble the circuit, how will the circuit configuration. We can also use this function in the software. We will apply some analog signal to analog input, and then we will compare, and then we will provide reference. We will connect this ground and plus 5 volt from the Arduino power supply. When we are working with practical circuit, at that time we can inject this signal by using a voltage divider network, by limiting these voltage at maximum 5 volt, from 0 to 5 volt. And for safety purpose we can connect a Zener 5 volt, 4.7, 4.9 volt Zener, that will much protective. And we will provide a reference in the software. When we are using Arduino, no need to add additional reference at inverting input. We will just only feed this signal to Arduino, and we will compare with this reference value which we will write in the code. Let's start. I will use this potentiometer to apply signal. I will take output from the center node, center slider, and I will connect positive input to the potentiometer one side. We will connect ground to the other side, and we will connect the LED ground with this power supply ground that we are connecting at potentiometer. So we will use it as a return path. Here I will connect 1 kilo ohm resistor to display the signal on this LED, and this is our output point for LED. When the voltage here at this green pin will equal to, I will connect to A5 pin, A5, and I will connect ground pin to this Arduino ground, this ground to ground, and positive to positive input, and we will take output from pin number 2. We can use any digital output pin. So I will use pin number 2 for output. So this is our circuit configuration. I am connecting to the computer. Let's write the code. I will write the code in the simple way. Here I will say pin mode A5 input, pin mode pin number 2 output. We can rename these pins, and we can give integer value. We will say this pin as analog in, and I will copy this function, and in the start, in the definition, we will say integer this name equal to A5. Yes, that's good. We defined that analog in, this signal name is this green pin which is going to A5 pin. Here integer in the loop, integer analog in value is equal to analog read this signal. Terminate. We measured the voltage, and the microcontroller will store these values at this analog in value. So here we will use float function. We will say non-inverting value is equal to 5.0, 1023. These are the analog values. These are the analog voltage, maximum analog voltage, and this is the maximum value of the ADC. Multiply with this value. which we measured here, what is the current value. And now we will use if in bracket and else. We will use these two functions. If non-inverting value, here is the condition. When this value will equal to or greater than the reference value, at that time it will give high output. Greater than, equal to, we can say what is the voltage value we want to compare with 2.5 volts, as we used in our last experiment when we connected two resistors, 1K resistor as a voltage divider. So if it is more than 2.5 volt, what it will do, digital write where pin number 2 comma high. We give a condition that if non-inverting value, that is pin number A5, is greater than or equal to 2.5, it will give high output. Else, now we will give the second condition. If the condition is false, at that time the LED will remain low. Let's upload the program. This is the code total. This is the total code. We will write it here. Upload now. The code is uploaded. I will increase the potentiometer. Now the value is down. Yes, when it is more than 2.5 volts, it will measure. If we check it practically, at this pin and at this pin, when the voltage are 1.9 volts, the LED is off. I am increasing the voltage from this potentiometer. When the voltage are above than 2.5 volt, it will turn off the LED. So in this way we can take non-inverting comparator function using Arduino. I will attach the copy of this code in the video description. You can download it if you want. I think this video is informative. If it is informative, hit the like button. If you have any question, write in the comments. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.